In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit your Google Classroom name, a simple yet essential skill for educators, students, or anyone utilizing this platform to maintain organized and effectively communicate the purpose of their class. Whether you're renaming for clarity, updating for a new school year, or simply refreshing your classroom dynamics, follow these steps to ensure a smooth transition. First, let's kick off by navigating to the most common starting point, google.com. Here you'll find yourself on the familiar homepage of Google, a gateway to its multitude of services, including Google Classroom. Next, direct your attention to the top right corner of the screen, where you'll find the Sign In button. Click on it to proceed. This is your entrance into the personalized Google ecosystem, where all your Google services and settings can be managed. After clicking Sign In, you'll be prompted to choose your Google account. If you have multiple accounts, select the one linked to the classroom you wish to edit. This is a critical step, as accessing Google Classroom requires you to be logged in with the correct account credentials. Once you've selected your Google account, you're next prompted to type in your password. This is standard procedure to ensure that your account and all the information contained within remains secure and accessible only to you. Click on Next after entering your password. If you've entered everything correctly, Google will grant you access to your account. Now you're logged in and ready to navigate further. Look for the Google Apps menu, symbolized by a grid of dots located at the top right corner of the screen near your profile picture or initial. Clicking here will unfold a menu showcasing a variety of Google Apps available to you. Within this menu, you'll spot Google Classroom. Click on it to dive into the world where education meets innovation. Google Classroom is a versatile platform that enables educators to create, distribute, and grade assignments in a paperless way, promoting collaboration between teachers and students. Upon selecting Google Classroom, you're directed to your classroom overview. Here you'll find all the classes you're enrolled in or managing. From this sneak peek into your educational hub, find the class you wish to rename. Each class card provides essential details at a glance, such as upcoming assignments and class announcements. Now, for the main act, editing your classroom name. Each class card includes a More option, visually represented by 3 vertically aligned dots. Click on these dots to unveil additional actions you can perform. Among these options, you'll find Edit. Selecting Edit is your key to customization. With the Edit option selected, you're now in control of your classroom's identity. You can change its name to whatever fits your educational goals or preferences. This could be something clear and descriptive for easy identification, or something more personalized and unique. After you've entered the new name for your classroom, it's time to finalize your changes. Look for the Save button. This is your last step in the editing process. Clicking Save will apply your new classroom name, instantly updating it across Google Classroom for all enrolled students and co-teachers to see. Congratulations, you've successfully revised your Google Classroom's name. It's a straightforward process that can have a significant impact on your virtual classroom's organization and accessibility. Remember, a well-named classroom can not only aid in better identification, but also enhance communication and create a more engaging learning environment for everyone involved. Conclusively, whether you're fine-tuning your digital classroom setup at the start of a new school year, adapting to curriculum changes, or simply refreshing the learning atmosphere, renaming your Google Classroom is a quick adjustment that pays off in clarity and cohesion. I hope this guide has been helpful, and I encourage you to experiment with these steps to keep your digital classroom environments both dynamic and well organized. Thank you for watching, and here's to an ever-evolving, organized digital teaching and learning experience.